Lloyd-Fox. I work at Birkbeck, University of London, and I study infant neuroscience. Yes, so a couple of years ago we were approached by a team who are based in Kenneber in the MRC Centre, and they wanted to begin to look at different ways to study how undernutrition are affecting infant and child development. And so they had seen some work that we had done using a technique of optical imaging to measure brain responses, and they were wondering if they could apply this technology in field work out in Africa to look at brain development in the context of undernourished children and infants. And so we got involved through 3 different institutes. So our project involves Birkbeck from my side as a psychologist and neuroscientist. It also involves medical physics at University College London and a colleague called Professor Claire Elwell. And then there's also the International Nutrition Group at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine and in Kenneber in the Gambia. And all 3 of us work together to do that project. So we need all sort of disciplines in order to get this moving forward. Well, I'm used to an interdisciplinary approach because I did a PhD in this field. So although I've trained in psychology, I had to use a technique that was developed in the engineering department. And so my PhD crossed those 2 barriers well, I've been doing it for 10 years now, so it's always been like that for me. So I'm used to kind of the interplay between 2 different disciplines and trying to get it to work in both. And then the nutrition side is very new to me, so we're sort of picking up information as we go along. But I think it's essential to do this because otherwise you miss so many points in the research, so you could be very kind of blinkered to what you're doing without having a much wider team. I think the challenge in the future is to get funding that can cover that many experts in order for you to have all the answers. So you kind of get an ever-widening field of, I think I actually need someone from agriculture now to join this group, and you sort of feel always that you're striving to try and find someone else to give more opinion on what you're doing as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.